Wow. So where we start this morning now?
The correctional officer had caught with his hand in a cookie jar, apparently.
Wow. So a correctional officer based at the Horizon Adult Remand Center is now in police custody after allegedly stabbing and shooting. Well, stabbing was not, Stabbing and shooting his wife at their St. Catherine home. It's reported that sometime after 4 o'clock, 35-year-old nurse Lisa Barnett and her husband, Balfour Barnett, were in their bedroom when a dispute developed over unresolved matrimonial issues. The police say an explosion was then heard. Shortly after, Mrs. Barnett was seen running outside and what appeared to be a wound to her abdomen. Jesus. It was reported that she collapsed. She was assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital by a neighbor. Her husband fled the scene, but he has since been taken into custody by the police.
Wow.
Remember one time we used to talk through unresolved issues? Remember those days?
I was just going to say, what in the world?
Discussions, even if they got heated.
No, but what in the world your wife could do to you that you want to shoot her and stab her? What?
It's not about her. It's not about her. It's about him and his anger. It's not about her.
Yeah, but I mean...
It's about his anger. When people can't resolve things by discussion, they tend to get to violent means.
I don't
think it's what she do.
Right.
Crazy.
I mean, we're all different and everybody's reality is different, but I can't understand that.
Not necessary. It's not
And then,
necessary.
if you stab somebody, I mean, you have to get close and puncture somebody.
And
when
then shoot.
When I even think about that, I just
get sick, queasy.
Yeah, I just say, oh, you can do something like that.
Yeah.
Ah, man.
Yeah.
All right, so we said the tropical wave, it says to cause more rain. That comes from the Met Office. They say weather conditions are expected to deteriorate. Well, it can't get much worse than what we're seeing there, but apparently it will. And it says...
It will get worse than that?
Yeah, well, it says deteriorate. So today is... I think this came out yesterday. So they said it would be worse today as a tropical wave moves across the island. So it says periods of light to moderate and at times heavy showers. This is exactly what we've been experiencing with isolated thunderstorms. They're expected to continue to affect sections of all parishes. All parishes.
Yeah, but it's a four paths, Tollgate and Comfort. So the water levels are already rising. That's not good. That's carrying on again, right?
Yep.
Okay? Yeah?
Apparently we were close to it yesterday, Brad. We were close to all of that yesterday because we were in May Pen. Yep.
Oh my God.
He says although the mayor of May Pen and council of Rocky Point Division, Mr. Winston Mirage, he said that several communities in his division have also been flooded due to the poor drainage system. So he says although the drains were cleaned following the heavy rains a few weeks ago, the drainage system has not been able to handle the current rainfall. And Clarendon is one of the worst.
Where are we? What month is this?
May.
May. Do we usually have these kind of showers in May?
I don't think so.
Is this rainy season typically for people? I don't remember. April?
No.
Yeah, you have April showers. April, May. Yeah, usually. But not
rainy
like
season
this.
Down in like August or something. So we don't get plenty rain like when football start every year. We have plenty rain in
It's
September.
usually October.
Yeah,
September, October-ish. The rain starts again.
Usually I know as
April
football
showers,
start, you have plenty rain all of a sudden.
Yeah, but April showers are a thing, and usually it can carry into. But this kind of level of rain, I think, at this time of year is unprecedented. See, Mr. Trump, climate change is real.
I think they've kind of sorted it out in a sense, but the cyber attack business is not a joke thing that is right across the world, too.
Yes.
But they say 150 countries.
Correct.
Which means what? A man just go in a computer and just mess up everything and send up some virus and thing. To what end, please?
Because he can.
So when they talk that, when they mash up everybody thing?
He gets satisfaction. He's created a program that's disrupted the entire world.
Okay.
It's a good thing.
Yep. Food for the poor. Fantastic, eh?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Yeah. My company is actually building a house, so I feel really good about this.
Your
food for the poor.
doing what?
Building a house.
Through Food for the Poor?
Through Food for the
So
Poor.
you give them the money and then build it?
Right. No, we're going to build it. We're going to go and build it with them. I mean, we'll give them the money too, but we're going to pay
You
a part.
personally going to build it?
Of course, I'm going to go and help build.
Which part of the house you going to build, please?
Whichever part they ask me to build. I'm a builder, you know.
So much.
What happened?
You just want
You know, you doubt my skills mightily, and I'm very, I take
in house
umbrage.
building,
Look
yes.
at those people. You
No,
think they're
in house
carpenters?
building, yes. I mean, if you are on the track, nobody could beat you, and I would defend you. But I've never seen you build nothing. So in house building, I would question your.
You back your hand. You back your hand.
No, you lick me hard again.
You know,
But that's good though. That's
everybody
good
comes
though.
together and does
Yeah,
it.
that's
So,
nice. Look, I even
can't
paint
build, you
something now.
paint,
Yeah,
and
man,
you-
that's brilliant. But
They're
they
gonna-
they want 40 new two-bedroom houses later this year, they said. And they intend to construct 100 houses from the, they got what? 46.5 million for the first 5K run in 2015, 53 million last year. And they've built over 100 homes so far from monies raised, which is just brilliant. Food for the poor
is doing
is
such fantastic
Wow.
work. I mean,
Excellent, excellent.
Gosh, you know what it means to take a man off the street and put a
excellent,
roof over his head?
excellent.
Cannot be measured.
I saw,
Well done,
it
FFP.
happened a little while now, you know. I saw
What?
this gentleman, it was pouring rain, and a homeless gentleman never had on a shirt, and he was walking and he was like that.
Shivering.
So there's a shirt in my car, so I pulled up beside him, and I went like that, and he looked at me, and said, well, give me a money now. So I
I'm
said,
giving you a shirt.
so I said, put on the shirt. And he looked at me and he smiled, and I thought, you know.
So you didn't give me money. So you're just mean. You see, you tell a story to show. I tell you, ladies and
I
gentlemen.
give out my shirt.
Could I give him the shirt
By the way,
and give
it
him
was a
money to
brand
buy
new
a
shirt.
cup of tea?
It was a brand new shirt.
But no, put on the dry shirt and don't drink nothing. You're just
It
mean.
was a brand new shirt.
He's a meanie.
Belated happy birthday to Jody, who her birthday was about last month still.
What?
Jody's birthday, her birthday, I never said happy
Wait.
birthday. I never told her
Well,
happy
Daly and I
birthday.
did.
But I did. So
And you're
I'm-
supposed to be her friend.
And yeah, so no, the first thing she said, you know, she come in, she traced me up properly and
good.
said, I don't understand how me don't hear nothing from you. So I'm sorry, my good friend, and I hope you had a great day. Everett, may I do this again now. And another belated birthday, I think her birthday was yesterday, Jessica DePass. DePass, she works at the JUCT Greater, well, to be honest, I don't know if she worked there, but the greeting coming from the staff of the JUTC Greater Portmore office.
Gosh.
And also Grace
she ask?
Irving. So, Miss Jess, I hope you had a great day yesterday. I don't want to say you work there, you never really work there. And you get yourself,
How'd you manage on Mother's Day? How's my best?
She was good.
Yeah.
She was good.
Went out and you couldn't stay long because there was rain.
Actually, I mentioned how much I love that, so I kind of just stood there for a while.
And nobody to bother you this time because
No, the gentleman is always there, but he helped me out because Jackie's, so my mom and dad is here, and Jackie's probably about 20 years old, and Jackie didn't look so wonderful, so I actually asked him
To
do
clean it up for you.
Yeah, and then I went across to Dominic. Must have been tough for
his mom.
Denise and David. So
Yeah.
good morning to Denise and David, probably the first Mother's Day in
I saw
18
somebody
years.
tweet yesterday. You know, it's amazing how we sit sometimes and we get the greetings and we appreciate them, but we don't think about all the people who have lost
Yeah.
children, and mothers who have lost children and children who've lost mothers, and how tough a day Mother's Day must be for
And as
for
I said,
you. So we're sending love. to
Yeah,
those
and in
people.
Dennis's case, it would be the first Mother's Day
Right,
in
without
like,
the-
18, 19 years.
Can't imagine. I
without
can't imagine.
Dominic.
I don't want to think
But I
about it.
told her, you know, she's they're both.
Told
Mr.
her
and
strength.
Mrs. James, they're the toughest. I don't even, there's nothing you can say because you can't figure out how you feel. And I remember before I lost my brother Jackie, every time I heard someone losing someone, I said, well, I know how you feel.
You don't
And then when I
ever-
lost Jackie, it's not, so I didn't think them feel. So, I mean, it just nothing to
The
say.
right thing to say is I cannot imagine
Yeah,
how
man.
you feel.
Just say
but
sorry and
yeah.
we move on. Anyway, it's gone, and happy Mother's Day again to all the mothers. Hope you all had a great day. And someone sent me something, and I kind of said it yesterday too, and to the fathers. Because
mother?
We're, well, not only that, but we're a part of the reason you're mothers, aren't we?
Yeah, but you're not mothers. Wait your turn. Put the birthday there. Put it June. Just hold on.
Me that, June.
Hold dog.
Happy
June.
birthday, folks.
I mean, really. Try to run in on the